Hey, it's Lindsey. Up next, I have a leg workout that you can do anywhere because it requires no equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more daily workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because your workout starts right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with a quick warm up. So let's start swinging our leg back and forth. The way this workout is gonna work today is each exercise is gonna be 45 seconds, and then we're gonna have 15 seconds of toe raises. Good, last swing, and let's warm up with a slow squat, getting those legs moving because we are going to be doing a lot of squats today. Good, one more. Very good, let's warm up a little hinging. So keeping your hips back and hinging, bending at your hips, back flat. Don't want to be rounding over, keeping that back nice and straight. Okay, so our first exercise is gonna be squat to kick alternating. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So we're squatting down and we're kicking forward. Squat down, kick forward. And kick, squat down, and kick. Always remember to keep those feet flat on the ground. You don't wanna be in your toes, you don't wanna be in your heels. You wanna keep your feet flat and your chest upright. Good. Working those quads. We have 15 seconds left before we switch to toe raises. And kick. Can you kick a little higher? Good, keep it up, 5 seconds. And let's get it moving onto toe raises now. So we're here, hands on our hips, and we're lifting up and down. Trying not to rock back and forth, we're lifting up to the sky. Next exercise is seated alternating legless. So go ahead and sit down, and we're here. We're gonna lift a leg up and down, and go. Good, and lift and down. Keeping that chest upright. Not using anything to support your legs, only using your quads to lift. And up and down. Trying not to rock back. Keeping that chest upright and isolating those quads. Good, into toe raises and go. Standing up, hands on our hips, and lifting. And up high, and squeeze and hold, and down. Last one, good. 4 squat pulls to stand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stand up. Keeping that chest upright, and stand up. 2, 3, 4, and up. When you do this, think about not rounding your shoulders forward. You want to keep them back. Keep those shoulder blades pinched and up. 15 seconds. 3, 4, and up. Starting to feel the burn in your quads. Good, and that is a good feeling. That is what we are going for. And last one, rest. And hands on your hips, toe raises. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exercise, our Kang squats. So we're here, slightly wider stance than normal, hinging at the hips, squatting down, bend over, and stand. So we're starting with like a good morning, bending over to squat, back to that good morning, and standing up. So bend, squat, bend, and up. Bend, lift that chest up, squat, and up. Squat, bend, and up. Bend at the hips, squat down, oops. Bend, and up. Bend, last one, squat, bend, and up, and toe raises, go. Next exercise are gonna be on our knees, doing doggy kickbacks. Good, and let's go. Doggy kicks left. So we're here, lifting and pulsing. We have 45 seconds. Trying to keep our glutes and our hamstrings engaged. And we're lifting up a little bit higher now. Keeping those shoulders square to the ground. Good, 15 seconds. And keep lifting, 5 seconds. And then we are gonna go into toe raises. 2, 1, and toe raises. Quick stand up and try not to tip over like I am. Good, and squeeze and down, last one, and down. Back to the doggy position, and we are lifting up our other leg and pulsing, go. And up and down. Quick, small pulses, trying to keep that core engaged, those glutes and the hamstring. Really working to get it a little bit higher, but not to bend at the back. You wanna use your quads and your glutes and your hamstrings to lift it up. 15 seconds. And once we finish this exercise, we are going one time more through. So now that you know the exercises, it should be able to be a little bit faster. And rest, and toe raises, and here we go, and up, and down, and lift up, and hold, and down. Good, and 3, 2, and 1. Squat to alternating kick. So kick and squat. Squat and kick. Good, get it moving. We can move a little bit faster this round because now we know what we are doing. Good, and get it moving. Deeper squat, bigger kick. Good. Keeping that chest upright. Picking a spot on the wall to look at. Don't look at the ground. Look at something right in front of you. Good, 10 seconds. And feeling the burn, last 5 seconds. 2, 1, last kick. And toe raises, go. And up and down. Next, we're gonna be on the ground, seated alternating leg lifts. 3, 2, 1, and sit down, chest upright, trying to be in a 90-degree angle and lift. Good. Try to keep those legs straight. You wanna lead with your foot and not with your knee. So you don't wanna be going like that. You wanna be lifting straight up. Really using those quads. Good. We have 10 seconds. Good, keep that chest open, almost there. 2, 1, and toe raises, go. Here, hands on hips, lift up and down. Good. Next exercise is 4 squat pulses to stand. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, stand up. Good, let's keep it moving. and stand. Keep that chest upright and those feet flat on the ground. And up. Good. Pick that spot on the wall to look at. Ten seconds. Good. Feel the burn in those quads. 5 seconds. Last one, and up. Hands on hips and toe raises. Good. Next exercise is Kang squats. So we're here, we're gonna hinge over at our hips, then we're gonna squat down, back to hinge and up. And hinge and squat and hinge and up. Hinge, squat, hinge and up. Keep it moving. Good morning over and squat and hinge and up. And hinge, and squat and hinge and up. 5 seconds, almost done. Hinge, and squat, and hinge, and up. Toe raises, go. Good, last two exercises are doggy kicks. Gonna be pulsing that leg. 3, 2, 1, and down on the ground, and that first leg up and down. Let's get it moving, last two exercises. Good, and up and down. Keep using that hamstring and those glutes to lift up high. Trying not to open up to the side. Keeping your hips and your shoulders square to the ground. 15 seconds. Good, keep lifting, 5 seconds, a little bit higher now. 2, 1, and toe raises. And lift up and down, up and hold. Squeeze those calves. 3, 2, 1. Other side, last exercise. And then we're gonna stretch very quickly to stretch out those legs. And pulse. And up and down, good. Keep it moving. Can you go a little bit higher? Using your hamstring and your glutes to lift up to the ceiling. "15 seconds, almost there. And keep pulsing up and down, quick and small, and up and down. We have 5 seconds. And rest, toe raises. Last thing. And lift up and hold. And squeeze. And 3, 2, 1. And rest. Let's go ahead and reach over and stretch out those hamstrings that we just worked. Good. And let's bend one. And bend the other. And switch. And switch again. Good, and straighten and reach down. Good, let's go into a pigeon stretch. So we're bending our front leg, straight leg back. And relax over just a little bit. Good, and here's a little challenge. If you can, lift that back leg up and pull it towards you so you can feel a stretch in your quads. Right here. Good, and let's switch to the other side. Front leg bent, back leg straight, pushing your hips into the ground. And relax down over top of your leg. Good, and a little challenge on this side. Pull that back leg up and see if you can get it closer to your body while still keeping your hips close to the ground. Almost there. Last few seconds. In 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest. And we are all done for today, you guys. Very good, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.